The sound bothering you at night, or too many things on your mind. Couldn't sleep like you used to. Tried everything. Warm milk, lavender spray, even counting sheep. If those actually worked, you wouldn't be watching this video right now.
We've all heard the standard advice a million times. It's boring, and quite frankly, for many of us over 60, it just doesn't work. So today, I'm throwing out the rule book. I'm going to share 5 strange, counterintuitive, but scientifically proven tricks to hack your body into falling asleep. One involves a piece of fruit you usually throw away. And another is used by fighter pilots to sleep in a war zone. Ready for some weird science? Let's count them down.
Hack number 1. The sock paradox. Vasodilation.
Number 1. Wear socks to bed. I know it sounds backwards. You've always been told to keep the bedroom cool. But here's the scientific paradox. To cool down your body's core, you actually need to warm up your feet.
It's a process called vasodilation.
When your feet are warm, the blood vessels open up, releasing heat from your body like a radiator.
This signals to your brain, okay, core temperature is dropping. It is time to sleep.
A Swiss study found that people with warm feet fell asleep significantly faster. So tonight, socks on. Oh, come on, bring it back.
Hack number 2. The banana tea secret.
Number 2, let's go to the kitchen. You eat bananas for potassium, right? But you are throwing away the best part. For sleep, the magic is in the peel.
Banana peels are packed with magnesium and potassium, much more than the fruit itself. These are powerful natural muscle relaxants. Here is the recipe. Wash an organic banana. Cut off the ends, but keep the peel on. Boil it for about 10 minutes. Drink the water like tea. It tastes a bit like cinnamon, and it works like a natural tranquilizer for your muscles. For better taste, you can always add cinnamon and honey. Hack number 3. The military method. 2 minutes to sleep.
Number 3. The military method. This technique was developed by the U.S. Navy pre-flight school to help fighter pilots fall asleep in 2 minutes or less, even sitting up, even with loud noises.
The secret isn't just closing your eyes. It's relaxing your jaw and tongue. Try it now. Close your eyes. Drop your shoulders. Now, consciously unclench your jaw. and let your tongue fall from the roof of your mouth. When your face goes slack, your brain thinks the danger is gone. Power down. Try to relax your body from head to toe, step by step. Hack number 4. The cognitive shuffle.
Number 4. This is my favorite. It's called cognitive shuffling. You developed by researchers at a university in Canada.
You can't sleep because your brain is in planner mode, worrying about tomorrow. To stop it, you need to scramble your thoughts. Here is the game. Pick a word, like garden. Start with G. Visualize words starting with G. Goat, grass, green. Then move to A. Apple, ant, arrow. This mimics the random, fragmented thoughts we have right before dreaming.
It tricks your brain into thinking you are already falling asleep.
You won't even make it to the end of the word. Warning: sometimes you can talk nonsense in your sleep.
I was trying to have it size 70 psi and water, blue.
Hack number 5. The red potion, Tart cherry juice.
And finally, number 5.
The only drink you need, Tart cherry juice.
Specifically from Montmorency cherries.
Studies from Louisiana State University showed that seniors who drank this slept 84 minutes longer on average. Why does this help? It is one of the rare natural food sources of melatonin. It's basically nature's sleeping pill in a glass. Just make sure it is tart, not the sweet sugary kind. Drink a small glass an hour before bed.
So there you have it, the top 5 weird sleep hacks. Tonight, I challenge you to try just one of them. Which one sounds the craziest to you? I'm going to try the banana peel tea myself. If you try one tonight, come back tomorrow and tell us in the comments. I read them, and so do others who are on this same journey.
Make sure you're subscribed to your 100-year companion. We're here to help you rest better one night at a time.